students, today we're going to learn EVS subject class 3 chapter number 6. Chapter name is cooking food. What is chapter name? Cooking food. Cooking food means what we eat the cook. What we eat the food. First we cook the food. पहले हम खाना पकाते हैं, food पकाते हैं. Like that is meant by cook. Cook means पकाना. Cooking food means before eating the food, first we cook the food like sabji, chapati. This all first we cook, then we eat. Yes? Or we are eating raw, कच्चा खाते हैं? No. First we cook, then we eat. We eat different types of food items. We all are eating different types of food items. We eat raw like cucumber, onion, that we can eat raw. वो हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. Potato we can eat raw? No. First we cook, then we eat. We eat different types of food items. Some of them are eaten raw, while some are cooked. Some of them is कोई vegetables हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं, and some of them that we first cook, then we eat. पहले हम पकाते हैं, फिर खाते हैं. The fruits, vegetables like cucumber, carrot, radish, tomato, cabbage can be eaten raw. Fruits we eat raw. Yes, fruits we eat raw. Or we cook, then we eat fruits. First fruits we eat raw. Vegetables, some of the vegetables that we can eat raw, and some of them we cook, then we eat. Fruits, vegetables like cucumber, tomato, cabbage, carrot, radish, etc. can be eaten raw. Raw means kacha. Yes? But all the food items cannot be eaten raw. Also food items we can eat raw? No. Potato we can eat raw? No. Some of the vegetables first we cook them, then we eat. And some of the vegetables we can directly eat raw. Then we can eat raw. And some of the vegetables first we cook them, then we eat. Like bottle gourd, bitter gourd. Then ladyfinger, cauliflower. These all the vegetables first we cook them, then we eat. Some are tasteless and some are hard, like pulses, rice, etc. Some are tasteless means कोई किसी का टेस्ट नहीं होता. Tasteless means उसका कोई टेस्ट नहीं होता. And some are hard, like pulses. Pulses hard होते हैं. Yes, मूंग दाल, gram. These all are pulses. How they are? They are hard. Rice is also hard. Such food items are eaten in the cooked form. Pulses first we cook, then we eat. Rice also first we cook, then we eat. Or directly we are eating raw? No. First we cook, then we eat. Take the food items which can be eaten raw. Take the chicken, raw, milk, potato, sugar, fish, wheat, egg. Yes, you have to take the food items which can be eaten raw. इसमें से हम क्या कच्चा खा सकते हैं? We have to take on that. Milk. Yes, we can drink milk raw. Yes. Potato we can eat raw? No. Sugar? Yes. Fish? No. Wheat? No. Egg? No. This we cannot eat raw. Wheat. Your mother makes wheat flour. Yes, wheat का क्या बनाते हैं? Wheat flour. Then she makes chapati. फिर wheat flour का चपाती बनता है. That we eat. So wheat also we cook. Then we eat. Okay. What types of vessels are used for cooking? Yes, your mother makes the food. She used different types of vessels. She used different types of utensils. Yes. What type of vessels are used for cooking? For cooking the food, there are different types of vessels. Kadai, frying pan, then pressure cooker, cooking pot means patila. Okay? Different types of vessels are used for cooking. We use different types of vessels for cooking. Wok. Wok means kadai. Wok means kadai. See, this is the kadai. Then frying pan. See, this is the frying pan. Frying pan. We make sabji. We make sabji in this. And kadai. When your mother makes samosa, she makes some frying food. जब तला हुआ कुछ बनाते हैं, what she use कढ़ाई. कढ़ाई में हम फ्राई करते हैं ना, ऑयली फूड जब हम कुछ समोसा बनाते हैं, ओके, लाइक दैट. तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? कढ़ाई यूज करते हैं. फ्राइंग पैन we can use for sabji. Pressure cooker. What is this? Pressure cooker. In this, you cook rice, dal, then sabji, vegetables. Okay, your mother make vegetables in this pressure cooker. Then she cook rice also in this pressure cooker. She cooks dal also in this pressure cooker. Okay. And cooking pot. Cooking pot means patila. This is cooking pot. Means patila. In that, milkman comes to your house. Your mother take milk in this cooking pot. Patila में मम्मी milk लेती है. Yes. Are some vessels commonly used in the kitchen. These all are the common vessels we are using at our home. We are using in this kitchen. Yes. Most of them are made of materials like steel. Steel, pressure cooker of steel, aluminum pressure cooker, then non-stick also. Okay. There are different types of materials used in this. Many cooking vessels have handles of wood or plastic. Yes. Pressure cooker. This handle is of plastic, black color का जो plastic का होता है. Yes. And some of them handle are of wood also. कोई handle wood का होता है, कोई plastic का होता है. And some of them of steel also. Steel का भी होता है, वो handle होता है पकड़ने का. So these materials do not get heated easily. So these are types of materials do not get heated easily. मतलब ये जल्दी से गरम नहीं होता. What are the different types of fuel used? Have you understood about this? What types of vessels are used for cooking? Yes, these types of vessels used for cooking. That tawa also used for cooking. Yes. What are the different types of fuel used? Firewood. You know what is in the firewood? Firewood means we burn the fire and we cook food with the help of chula, stove, mud stove. Mud stove means chula. Earlier, first they were cooking the food in mud stove. पहले के जमाने में वो लोग फूड कहाँ बनाते थे? मड स्टव में. There were in earlier there was no gas stove. They were using mud stove. Mud stove means chula. Yes, nowadays also in the villages they are using this mud stove. चूल्हा में बनाते हैं खाना, फूड बनाते हैं ना चूल्हा में. That is mud stove. And they use firewood. पहले वो लकड़ी डालते हैं अंदर, पर उसको जलाते हैं लकड़ी को. That is firewood. It is commonly used by the people in the villages. In mud stuff. Mud stuff means chula. Now about kerosene. Kerosene. Kerosene is used in kerosene stuff. Kerosene stuff means that primers. You know that primers were there. पहले gas stove नहीं था. Earlier it was mud stove. Then kerosene stove means primer. Primers के अंदर जब kerosene डालते हैं ना तब वो start होता है. Okay? So earlier it was kerosene stove means primer. This is a petroleum product and this using kerosene stove. ये petroleum product है. वो कहाँ इसको यूज करते हैं? kerosene stove में means primers में kerosene डालते हैं. It gives a strong flame. Yes, when we burn it ना जब हम उसको जलाते हैं ना तब वो एकदम strong flame देता है. This is a petroleum product and is used in kerosene stove. It gives a strong flame. See, kerosene, this primer is of like this way. And here something it is there. Then you burn it over here. Then it gives strong flame. Okay, बड़ा सा flame देता है. This primer is of like this way. Now we talk about coal. This is a fuel that burns for a very long time, and this burns in stove made of iron. It is the most widely used fuel. Yes, coal. This is a type of fuel. It burns for a very long time. ये ज़्यादा देर तक ये जलता ही है. Coal, and it is burnt in stoves made of iron. और ये कहाँ बन होता है? Stoves made of iron. जो iron का जो बनता है ना stove, that. It is the most widely used fuel. ये ज़्यादा widely fuel use होता है. That is coal. Coal, when we burn this coal, it burns a very long time. जब भी हम कोल को जलाते वो long time तक वो जलता ही रहता है. And that stove it is made of iron. जो stove होता है वो किसका बनता है? Iron का बनता है. Means only. It is the most widely used fuel. ये बहुत widely used होता है ये fuel. This is a fuel burned for a very long time. And is burned in a stove made of iron. It is the most This is a fuel that burns for a very long time. Yes, ऐसा फ्यूल है लॉन्ग टाइम तक वो बर्न ही होता रहता है, लॉन्ग टाइम तक वो जलता है. एंड इट बर्न इन स्टव मेड ऑफ आयरन. और ये कहाँ बर्न होता है? जो स्टव आयरन का बनता है. इट इज द मोस्ट वाइडली यूज्ड फ्यूल. मोस्ट वाइडली यूज्ड फ्यूल है, ये ज्यादा यूज फ्यूल होता है, वो ज्यादा यूज करता है. ओके, चारकोल. This is usually made of wood and is used in iron stove and tandoor. चारकोल है मेड ऑफ वुड. चारकोल वो किसका बनता है? वुड का बनता है. जब हम वुड को जलाते हैं फिर वो पाउडर निकलता है ना, दैट इज चारकोल. एंड इज यूज्ड इन आयरन स्टोव. और वो कहाँ यूज होता है? आयरन स्टोव में यूज होता है. This is usually made of wood and is used in iron stove and tandoor. Charcoal, it is made up of wood. वुड हम जलाते हैं फिर वो पाउडर निकलता है वाइट ब्लैक कलर का, दैट इज चारकोल. इट इज यूज्ड इन आयरन स्टोव. वो कहाँ यूज होता है? आयरन स्टोव में और तंदूर में. लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस. LPG. Full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. This is the fuel supplied in cylinder. See, LPG is a fuel. This is supplied in cylinders. Nowadays, mostly they all are using cylinders. Now they are all are using gas stove. अभी के जमाने में तो सब गैस स्टव यूज करते हैं. So now at your house cylinder is there. So in cylinder they are using liquefied petroleum gas. तो सिलेंडर में वो क्या सप्लाई करते हैं, उसके अंदर क्या डालते हैं? LPG गैस डालते हैं, लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Electricity is used to run electric gadgets like toaster. Yes, electricity means we use that sandwich का toaster होता है, that toaster, then microwave oven, then refrigerator, microwave oven. This all are run with the help of electricity. ये सब electricity से ही रन होता है. Microwave oven, toaster, these all are electric gadgets. Cooking makes food tender, tasty and easy to digest. Yes, we cook the food. Yes, so it is tender. Tender means warm. Warm, W-A-R-M, warm. Tender means warm. Cooking food is easy to digest and it is tasty. हम जो cook food करते हैं, we all are cooking the food, we eat that food, it is easy to digest and it is tasty. Yes? It also kills very small harmful living things called germs. We cook the food, it kills the germs also. वो germs को kill करते, germs को मार डालते हैं. That may be present in food. Yes, in food also small germs are present. We cannot see the germs. We can see the germs? No, we cannot see the germs in the food. And see, in our body is also germs, but we cannot see. We can see with the help of microscope. Food is cooked in different ways. Boiling, steaming, roasting, grilling, preserving, and freezing. Cooked in different ways. Okay? Now let us revise once again what we have studied today. We have studied about cooking food. We eat different types of food items. You are eating different types of food items? Yes. Some of them are eaten raw while some are cooked. Some of the vegetables that we can eat raw, cucumber, beetroot, radish, carrot, these all are we can eat raw. Fruits also we can eat raw. The fruits, vegetables like cucumber, carrot, radish, tomato, cabbage can be eaten raw. ये सब हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. But all the food items cannot be eaten raw. But सारा food तो हम कच्चा तो नहीं खाएंगे ना. Some of the food first we cook और हम पहले पकाते हैं फिर उसको खाते हैं. Some are tasteless और कोई tasteless होता है. Tasteless means उसका taste ही नहीं होता. And some are hard like pulses. Pulses are hard to chew. Pulses hard होता है ना चबाने में. So first we cook the pulses. And rice also first we cook, then we eat. We cannot eat raw because they are hard. Such food items are eaten in the cooked form. और कोई food items होते हैं पहले हम उसको cook करते हैं फिर खाते हैं. What types of vessels are used for cooking? There are different types of vessels in our kitchen and they are used for making the food, for cook the food. Different types of vessels are used for cooking. Wok means कढ़ाई. कढ़ाई में हमें जो भी फ्राई करना हो, we use कढ़ाई. Like samosa, then some puri, we fry. What we use कढ़ाई. Frying pan, we make vegetable in this frying pan, and we make pizza also. Na? We make pizza in this pan. Pressure cooker is used for cooking vegetables, cook rice, cook dal. Yes, pulses, for cooking the pulses, pressure cooker is used. And cooking pot means patila. Are some vessels commonly used in the kitchen. ये सब vessels कहाँ use होते हैं kitchen में. Most of them are made of materials. सब अलग-अलग materials का होता है like steel, aluminium, then non-stick. Yes. Many cooking vessels have handles of wood. कोई cooking vessels होता है जिसका handle होता है पकड़ने का. वो wood का होता है, कोई plastic का होता है, कोई steel का होता है. So this materials not get heated easily. तो ऐसा material जो होता है वो पटाख से वो heat नहीं होता. मीन्स गर्म नहीं होता. Different types of fuel use. मतलब सब different types के fuel use होते हैं. Kerosene, firewood, coal, charcoal. These all are fuels. इसको fuels बोलते हैं. Firewood. It is common commonly used by the people in the village. Those who are living in the village, they use mud stove. वो क्या यूज करते हैं फूड बनाने में? मड स्टव. दे आर नॉट यूजिंग गैस स्टव. अर्लियर इट वाज मड स्टव, मीन्स चूल्हा. पहले के जमाने में वो फूड कहाँ बनाते थे? चूल्हा में बनाते थे ना. उसका फूड भी कितना मीठा लगता था टेस्ट में. ओके. Kerosene. Kerosene is using kerosene stove. Primers. In primers we use kerosene. Okay, and it gives strong flame. जिसकी flame होती है वो strong flame देता है. Coal. This is a fuel that burns for a very long time and is burned in stove. ये कहाँ बन होता है? स्टव में बन होता है. स्टव में जलता है. Made of iron. किसका बनता है? Iron. It's burned in stoves made of iron. It is the most widely used fuel. ज़्यादा यूज होता है ये फ्यूल. लाइक इन फैक्ट्री में होता है, जो फैक्ट्री में वो कोल यूज होते हैं. कोल की फैक्ट्री होती है, यू नो, कोल की फैक्ट्री भी होती है. Charcoal. This is usually made of wood and is used in iron stove and tandoor. चारकोल है वो कहाँ यूज होता है? It is used in iron stove and it is made up of wood. जो wood जल जाता है फिर वो पाउडर होता है ना, that is charcoal. Okay. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. This is a fuel supplied in cylinders. Nowadays, in everyone house there is a cylinder. So in cylinder, which gas is there? It is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. इसके अंदर कौन सा गैस है? Liquefied petroleum gas. Electricity. Electricity is used to run electric gadgets like toaster. Toaster is used with the help of electric. ऐसे तो हम सैंडविच नहीं बनता, उसको पहले इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में पहले उसको प्लग करना पड़ता है, फिर ऑन करते तब वो सैंडविच कुक होता है. ओवन, माइक्रोवेव ओवन. It is used for making pizza, cake, and many more things. Cooking makes food tender. Cooking makes food tender. हम कुक करते हैं, food tender means warm. Yes. Tasty and easy to digest. Tasty होता है और digest में भी easy होता है. It also kills very small harmful living things called germs. ये germs होता है, छोटे छोटे germs को kill करता है. That may be present in food. Food में present होता है ना, फिर वो kill करता है, फिर उसको मार डालता है. Food is cooked in different ways. Yes, now this food is cooked in different ways. This study is next period.